AMC Upper Primary Question 27. I choose three different numbers out of this list and add them together. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 105. How many different totals can I get? So, to begin, we need to identify the largest and the smallest sums of this in the series. Okay, so we can start off with 1 plus 3 plus 5, which equals 9. And this has to be the smallest since there's no other odd numbers added together or in the series that can be smaller than 9 right now. So that has to be the smallest sum. Now the largest will be the three most biggest numbers in the series: 101, 103, and 105. This equals to 309. So this will be the largest one because there's no bigger number than these three numbers. So now we'll move on to by using the formula. So to find the total sums in this question or in the series, we have to do the formula 309 minus 9, which is the largest and smallest numbers, sums, divided by 2 plus 1, which will give us the total. So we do 309 minus 9 to get the range. And then we divide it by this difference of each number in the series. Since it's 1, 3, 5, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on and so forth, it will be always a plus 2, a difference. So, yeah. And then the plus 1 is to make sure we both have 9 and 309 included in this. Otherwise, we'll have other numbers, such as 8, 6, and all the other even numbers in this instead of the odds. So, to conclude, 309 plus 9 and minus 9 equals 300. 300 divided by 2 is 150. And 150 plus 1 gives us 151. And that is our answer. The answer to this question is 151.